Book of Secrets is a glimpse into the past and a key to anyone's future. Imagine if you could step back in time to change your life with what you know now. Now, this distant memory is available now, giving anyone the basic information before leaving Earth by taking tiny steps at a time. Take advantage of our $3.99 one-time charge, become a Patreon supporter, and download the World of the Damned series, and you will receive special offers for the Book of Secrets series for 2025. End of the World Humanity. The oral and written account with science that confirms the return of a comet planet that will destroy Earth in 2031 plugs 1. The spiritual realms. As it is written, there is an inhabited world created from things unseen that is hiding in plain sight. Who is mankind? The claims of science are evaluated that confirms the conclusions of the Human Genome Project that parallels the written word. This is an opportunity for anyone, and this isn't just a good deal. It's a gateway to the knowledge of what is known and written in the past that can be used to change a future. A belief in God without organized religion is the idea of believing in a God without being religious, as it was in the beginning, since it is beyond the confines of specific doctrines and rituals. Some reject the claim that the Bible is the Word of God and the idea of a supernatural being, whereas there are many that have faith in their beliefs. Religion and spirituality are two different things, and believing in God outside the realm of organized religion allows the freedom to explore our spirituality. A personal journey lets us seek a direct connection with God and opens doors to personal freedom and self-discovery. It allows us to navigate our own spiritual path without rigid structure or expectations, instead of relying solely on the prescribed interpretations of a specific religious tradition. The World of the Damned and Book of Secrets series is a personal journey and fulfills the command of the present to seek God and opens doors to self-discovery. Your support provides essential information you can share with everyone you know that will prepare them for any eventuality.